we got new products in. I'm so excited for this stuff. I want to show you. We sold out of these mirrors last time so fast, and they're so freaking cute. Look at this. Look how cute this is. We got these in pink and purple and black. We got a bunch of little spoolies for your clients, all different colors. We got brushes and micro brushes duo, which is so cool. I feel like everyone needs this. Nice little ASMR. And some fans, some glitter fans, I believe. Oh yes, these are cute. Rechargeable. How cute is this? So glitzy and glam. Love it. And another type of fan. Also rechargeable, so it's that much easier to use. Look how cute this is. With the little diamonds. Glitz and glam. Love it.